recently the Prime Minister would have said that their government is willing to provide support to entertainers during this time. This has caused some controversy of late because persons have argued that entertainers may not need the support. How do you respond?
Why entertainer would not need the support? Everybody needs support. Everybody know what the pandemic does. It hurts everybody income, everybody well-being. So why entertainer would need assistance? Maybe you have entertainers with status that maybe don't need it. But what about the smaller ones who maybe have a one-hit song or don't even have a hit song as yet? So there is different aspects and different sectors of the entertainment industry. So there are some who need assistance and some who might don't. That's what I would say.
Yes.
But there are people who I know who need assistance.
And recently, some criticism would have been raised again about how persons may say that the music in the industry may cause violence. How do you respond to those critics?
Well, it's social dysfunction cause violence. Violence become a culture in Jamaica. Music is just one of the little entity in the world that might could influence anybody. Does personal behavior influence people? The media itself is an influence. The movies, role models, broken homes, even corrupted leaders, they are an influence in everything too. So I'll tell you what, all of us to be blamed. It's our country and it's our fault. How did we reach here? It's all our fault. We got to work it out. But pointing fingers, not gonna come up with a solution.
Yes. And what do you think about the recent spate of violence against women in the country?
It's been here long ago. We must do something about it. I even make an adjustment about it a year ago. As you saw when I made the adjustment about violence against women, specifically as violence in general is a problem, but it has been an upsurge with females especially. So it's a problem long ago. It's just getting more and more.
And if you could suggest anything to solve the issue, what would you think of could be used to address it?
Well, the issue is people must have more value for each other, because some of these violence are even families. So you know that it's a less value for each other and no care and no love. So it's the one love that Bob Marley sang about broken down in Jamaica.
Yes.
The love has gone to pieces. One pieces of love. So we got to get it back together.
Yes.
So that's what Jamaica needs, love and togetherness.
Yes. And last year you would have announced that you were a changed man. And my question to you is, what would have been the reason for this transformation that you would have stated?
I never said I'm a changed man. I'm just a different man. I'm not the same age. I'm not at the same stage, but I'm still Rodney. I'm still the same person who was born on the 12th of June 1972. So I don't think a person can change, but I'm surely rearranged. I'm stepping different and I'm seeing things different and I'm going about things different. So people would call that a change, but that's the change, but it's not me. I might change the way I go about things, but am I changed? I'm the same man. I'm just smarter and wiser and stronger and bolder.
So would you regret any actions in the past that have taken that would have personally interpreted and encouraged by?
Sure, I do regret actions of the past, but it's development. The mistake that you made is just learn. You must learn from them and don't make them again. But it's not a problem to make mistakes. The problem is to not learning from them.
Yes.
And I do learn from my mistakes.
And do you have any final comments that you'd like to share to Jamaicans watching about the whole issue of violence and how persons can learn from their mistakes going forward?
Well, I guess one of my mistakes was to sing, say, murder in farmer and people that I'm a gun, a giant lodge and all these things, and I'm growing and I'm trying to move past that. That's why I even do an ad recently with the Crime Stop. We and the Crime Stop have come together and we made an ad. I don't know if you saw it yet. So those are the initiatives we are taking on now to establish what side we are on and which way we're going.
Yes.
And I'm going forward with Jamaica.
Yes.
I'm on the people's side. So I'm for the country, for the people.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.